welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I am doing a collab with my girl Darnisha from That's Charming. I'll have her information linked in the description below. Definitely check her out. She is a working mom of two little cute boys, and she provides similar content to mine. She definitely gives me a lot of motivation. She's very transparent and I really appreciate her. So yeah, go ahead and check out her video. Tell her I sent you. But we are doing a linen closet organizational video. Now, everything in this linen closet I need, but I hate the way it looks so junky and it gets so unorganized from the kids, and you know, me too. I can't just blame it on them. So I want to come up with a new solution to kind of hide the clutter.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal.
This is what we're looking like after everything has been emptied. It's just a basic linen closet with the simple wiring shelving.
Can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock.
I picked up this stuff from Dollar Tree, and basically it's just some foam board. I got 5 for the shelves, for each shelf, and then each shelf. I also picked up some wood-looking contact paper. So I'm going to be doing a DIY project to cover the wiring of the shelves because I really don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. So we're going to see how this works. So let's go measure, and then we can literally cut this with like a razor or a knife. So these are the measurements of my shelves that are in the linen closet. I did add maybe a ½ inch to each one, just to make sure that everything will be covered and nice and snug. Now I'm just going to be marking on my foam board the outline for the shelves, and then I'm going to be taking a razor blade and cutting through except for the little overlap piece, which you'll see in a minute, but I'll show you.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, work on my shit brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal. Key ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it. Can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So I did that to all 5 foam boards, and now I'm going to be moving on to the contact paper. So I am going to be opening it and I'm going to roll it out and actually mark the shelf length plus maybe an inch or 2 just so I can wrap it around.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Mine. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave.
Now for this part, you are more than welcome to cut off the excess, but I was being lazy and I just wanted to get it done, and I think it adds a finishing touch because you don't see any cricket cut marks. For the install, I did have a little trouble figuring out how to get the boards in there, so bear with me, but I did figure it out in the end.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Mine. Ooh.
Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these cubicle inserts, and this is the perfect way to like hide the clutter.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every.
After I put these inserts together, I'm basically just going to be stuffing stuff inside of them, and I'll come back and show you. So this is the end result. I love it because you don't see clutter, even though there is clutter inside of these cubicles, but it's nice and neat, and it still has everything in it that we need. So this is the final product. Down here we have some sheet sets. I got it separated by Giselle's and Malachi's, and up here we just have like with the white towels. Here we have the rags and then some extra products. And then we have our colored towels here, and then at the very top we have the tissue paper towels, and a candle and some box tissue. So that is it. After you finish watching this video, go ahead and head over to That's Charming's video. Link will be in the description. Appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.